What I have for you here today is a master lock number 3. Now, these are like some of the easiest master locks to pick. They're not very secure. And then this one I encountered the other day really kind of freaked me out even more. So if you're using these locks for anything important, you might want to change them out. I know this doesn't exactly happen on every master lock number 3, but maybe it happens on more than one. But in this case, all I did was start to put my tension wrench into the keyway, and the lock opens. I mean, it's not even, the key's not even doing anything in this lock. So here it's locked. I use the key. I open it up. This kind of turns either way, has spring on the tension. I lock it up again. I put my tension wrench in, and it opens. So now these are susceptible to rakes, single pin picking, much of any kind of attack. You can open these, but even the tension wrench is a threat to this master lock number 3. So be aware and don't use these on anything important. And I hope this helped. So if it did, please give the video a thumbs up, and that'll help other people find it. And I hope you have a great day.